But knowing Trump and looking at Trump 2.0, how do you think it will end up? Because he seems to have, he's flooded the zone on every issue. He's huge energy. He's
Yeah.
nearly 80. Like,
Yeah.
like, how will this, will he peter out? Will the courts, will the Capitol Hill neutralize him?
Yeah.
How will it all end?
I mean, listen, I mean, there's lots of different versions. I'll give you the optimistic version for me because I'm against a lot of what he's doing, even though I'm a right of center former Republican. I will say that it ends with him fizzling out in the midterms, and it ends with him, even if he wins the midterms, he's a lame duck president for the last 2 years of his presidency. And even though Steve Bannon says he's running again in 2028, I predict he won't be able to get that done. He'll get blocked on a number of different vectors. And there's just not support in the country for an Orban or Erdogan type of control of the world's oldest, standing existing
So we can
democracy.
sleep easy.
Well, you can't sleep easy because he wants to wreak havoc on people. He wants to hurt your economy, hurt our economy. He's got, for some reason, Putin's playbook in his mind, and he's executing Putin's playbook. It's day 60, and if Putin was the professor and he was grading Donald Trump, he'd give him an A plus. And I think someone has to resolve that for us. Why are you doing what Vladimir Putin would like you to do? This is a dictator who's got a weakened economy. He's an aggressor. Why would you be doing what he wants to do? What does he have on you? If the answer is he has nothing, let's give President Trump the benefit of the doubt. There's nothing on him. Then why would you do this? What does this say about your personality that you want to go after people in Canada, potentially take Greenland and Panama? And by the way, what does it say about your willing sycophants that they're willing to cede to your nonsense of talking like that? You want Canada to be the 51st state of the U.S.? I know you're a Trumper. I can smell it on you. Do you want them to? No, I don't.